If you are a foreigner married to a Thai woman, and now your marriage is starting to have problems, you might be wondering what you need to do if you want to get a divorce in Thailand. Today, as a lawyer in Thailand, I will explain this matter to you in an easy-to-understand way. Can a foreigner get a divorce from a Thai wife in Thailand? The answer is yes. Whether you registered your marriage in Thailand or abroad, you can get a divorce in Thailand. If the marriage was registered in Thailand, you can use the marriage registration documents in Thailand to proceed with the divorce directly. But if the marriage was registered abroad, you must first translate the marriage certificate into Thai. Then, have the translation certified by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Thailand. What options do foreigners have for divorce? In Thailand, there are two options, similar to many other countries. The first option is a consensual divorce. If you and your Thai wife agree, you can proceed with the divorce at the district office or the district administration office in Thailand. Both of you can travel to the district office or the district administration office in Thailand to apply for a divorce registration. Alternatively, you can also register the divorce at the Thai embassy in the country where you reside. In all cases, you will need at least 2 witnesses to accompany you and your wife. The second option is if the other party does not consent to the divorce, you will need to divorce by court judgment. Or if you are unable to contact your wife, you will need to file for divorce in the Thai court based on legal grounds such as adultery, abandonment for more than a year, or physical abuse, among others. If you are living abroad and want to divorce in Thailand, what should you do? If you registered your marriage in Thailand, you can have a lawyer in Thailand handle the case on your behalf, and you will need to prepare the documents as requested by the lawyer. However, conducting a case in Thailand, even though a Thai lawyer can handle the case for you. But when it comes to giving testimony, sometimes you will need to travel to testify in court yourself in certain cases. A common issue that often arises is not knowing where the wife is currently located, or not having a translated copy of the marriage certificate in Thai, or being unable to proceed with the divorce on your own, because the other party is uncooperative. You should consult a lawyer in Thailand early on to reduce the risk of wasting time and incurring costs. Divorce is never an easy matter, especially if you are a foreigner who has to handle a divorce in another country. A good preparation and having a lawyer who understands Thai law, the divorce can be managed smoothly without complications.